Hey guys, I'm Nick, and on this episode of the Scran Line, I am super excited to finally show you guys how to make these Galaxy Space Time cupcakes. These are inspired by one of my all-time favorite Lady Gaga songs. There's a lyric in there, it's Galaxy Space Time, go figure. It's a song called Venus. Look it up, it's one of my favorite. I love listening to it in the kitchen while I'm working. I love it. Let's get stuck into these beautiful silver Galaxy Space Time cupcakes. So this is actually a super easy recipe to make. It looks really impressive and it's really easy to make. So we're going to start off with our cupcakes. So you want to pop your flour, sugar, cocoa powder, bicarb soda and salt into a mixing bowl. Mix those together. Then you want to add your very soft butter into your dry ingredients. Mix those until you get a crumbly sand-like texture. Next, you want to add your eggs and milk. Mix that until everything is well combined. Now, we're going to be using some silver cupcake foil liners. Now, I grabbed these from my local cake supply store, but you can grab them online as well. So we're going to fill these up about 3/4 of the way. You're going to bake these on 160 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 40 minutes. Let them cool down completely before you try frosting them. Otherwise, like I learned when I was 12, you're going to end up with a saucy, buttery mess. So I've got some chocolate Swiss meringue buttercream frosting here. You can grab that on my website. The recipe, that is. The buttercream frosting you'll need to make yourself, but the recipe is on my website. You add some black food gel to that. I'm using the Americolor food gel. You're going to mix that until it's really well combined. We're not aiming to get a black frosting here, but a dark kind of grey colour frosting. I'm using an 8B Wilton French star tip. We're going to frost our cupcakes in a swirl. Now you want to chill these for about an hour because you want to get that frosting nice and stiff so that when you paint it with that silver paint, it doesn't wreck the frosting. So to make that silver paint, you're going to add some silver lustre dust. Again, I grabbed this from my local cake supply store, but if you Google silver lustre dust, you'll find it online. Add some clear alcohol. So you can use vanilla extract if you prefer not to use alcohol, although I think vanilla extract does have alcohol in it. So you can use water, but I probably wouldn't recommend it. It doesn't dry as quickly as the alcohol. Now guys, if you're scared of giving this to kids, don't worry, it's not going to make them drunk. I think it's pretty safe for kids. So you're going to paint that using a food safe paintbrush, just kind of in random streaks on your frosting. I didn't want to cover the entire thing because I wanted like some shiny bits, some matte bits, some lighter silver, some of that dark from the frosting. Kind of give it that nice classic galaxy look. And we're going to finish these off with some silver sprinkles or some silver star sprinkles. And guys, that is pretty much it. Okay guys, so those are my Galaxy Space Time cupcakes. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you watched the last video, you know that this green frosting is from the sea cream macarons. If you haven't watched that video, go and watch it. It is one of my favorite macarons. Ooh. It's one of my favorite macarons I've ever made, and they taste absolutely delicious. You're going to find the recipe for that and this cupcake on my website. That's where all my recipes live, thescranline.com. So I've left a link in the box below for you guys to follow that if you want to grab the recipe. If you're watching this for the first time, welcome to the channel. If you're watching this for the first time, welcome to the channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed the video. Of course, the natural thing is to hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you all on the next episode of the Scran Line.